Welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss key insights on Phase 1, Clinical Research Phase 1. Clinical trials are the first-in-human studies designed to evaluate the safety, tolerability, pharmacokinetics, and pharmacodynamics of a new drug. These trials are critical in determining whether a treatment is safe enough to proceed to later phases. Early phase trials comprise method development and validation. Before Phase 1 trials begin, rigorous method development and validation ensure accurate data collection. Method development establishes bioanalytical methods for measuring drug concentrations in biological samples, such as blood and plasma. Method validation confirms that these methods are reliable, reproducible, and meet regulatory standards according to FDA and EMA. Preclinical testing in animal studies assess toxicity and provide initial dose estimations for human trials. What are the requirements for Phase 1 clinical trial design and subject enrollment? 20 to 100 healthy volunteers are typically enrolled in Phase 1 trials. However, for oncology drugs that are highly toxic, patients may be enrolled. Why few participants, you may ask? Since this is the first time the drug is used in humans, smaller groups minimize risk. Data is collected intensively on absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. A dose escalation approach is used to determine the maximum tolerated dose. Why are Phase 1 trials typically fast-paced? One, speed and efficiency. Phase 1 trials are designed to quickly assess safety and move to Phase 2 if results are promising. Phase 1 clinical trials must be conducted in specialized clinical pharmacology units in a controlled setting. Phase 1 trial follow adaptive designs which allow for dose adjustments based on real-time data. Most Phase 1 trials last a few weeks to months, since the focus is on short-term exposure. Compared to later phases, these trials require less regulatory burden and fewer participants. What are the potential risks in Phase 1 trials? Unpredictable side effects. Since this is the first time in humans, adverse reactions can be unknown or severe. Dose escalation risks. Small dosage increases may trigger unexpected toxicity. Volunteer safety concerns. Close monitoring is essential to detect any unexpected physiological reactions. Trial failure. Around 30 to 50% of drugs fail. Phase 1 due to poor safety or bioavailability. In conclusion, Phase 1 trials are a critical step in drug development, ensuring that only the safest and most promising drugs advance. Despite being fast-paced, method development, rigorous monitoring, and ethical considerations are key to success. Want to learn more about clinical trials? Subscribe to my channel for in-depth discussion into later phase of drug development.